Hello, friend. Welcome back. In this section, we'll be try how to update our data. Okay. In our previous section, we will add category. Look at that, add category, but not add category. It will be subcategory, but you will be not concerned about our breadcrumb. I will also a dynamic way for all the breadcrumb will be covered. And here just fixing some small issue. So go to our VS Code. In our VS Code subcategory, look at the repository. So just subcategory controller, so create.blade.php here. Here we not here for category. You will keep at subcategory. And oh no, that's my mistake. Here the top it will be category here. So funny. Jump to the subcategory create.deploy.php, and here add category. It just updated subcategory. Okay. Now go to a sidebar actually. Sidebar. Look at that subcategory, but also some dummy categories. Okay, so just remove here subcategory index. So just show the data. Go to our browser. Oh no, just show the data. So first, subcategory service better. All of service will be removed first. Subcategory controller store data. Go to the index here. All subcategories. Subcategory. Just initialize our model order. Order by name. It will be best approach. SC, and will be get. Just send the data. Compact. Compact method. Just here. Pass it. And now go to the index page. And index page here. Look at this. We are just commenting. Just open our app. So here all categories, not all categories, just subcategories. So better name slug will be fine, and also category name will become and yes, the TD is remove. And so initially we will show the category ID, and then after that will be the model relation, and go get to the name actually category underscore id. So go to the browser and check it. Okay, and just keep reload. And here all the data will be unnecessary data will be gone. And go to back to our and look at that web development slug web development, and category will be 2. But category will be 2, not we don't want it. We just category wanted to look at this. Our just keep reload. Here we will get the subcategory also. Just check it. Look at the categories and look at the subcategories. And subcategories, look at the category IDs too. And what will be category ID 2? Look at the category ID is development. So go to the relation, one to many relation actually. So just go to our VS Code. I will show this. Now the subcategory. So better open our subcategory. Okay, and look at this. Given the function public function category. So once again it shows it's very return dollar this tends to, oh sorry this belongs to, actually belongs to category. This will be our one-to-one relationship friend, actually. uh, Category id. So we just make a call it our subcategory controller, and this is the with method with category. Category. Because of that, this is our category. Okay, so just we need to uh, appropriate spelling. Now go to our index page, and here item category id, that's fine, but we into the array category and wrap. Yeah, it will be the best way. So just check for the browser. This is our category, and just keep reload, and it will be get the error, actually. So I check it. Yes, expecting variable dollar. So I will check it. Okay. Now go to the VS Code. I will make a mistake. So now once again check for our browser. This is our browser, and just keep reload. And look at that. No, category name will be not came. So what happened? I just check it once again. Let's also miss our field name. So once again we will try. I hope that it will be work. And now make keep reload. And here development will become, look at that, name web development, and slug is web development, and category will be development. It's fine. Now we will try to keep update, edit our data, and also as well as update, and after completing update process we will be need to be delete data. So better category admin category, not admin category. Just change of our url. Here not category edit, it will be subcategory edit. Okay, here subcategory edit. After completing edit process we go to the update, so go to our browser. So just keep reload and go to our edit, and the subcategory edit, no edit data will be. So go to our controller. Here is a subcategory controller. Now go to the category controller, and just need to make copy here. All of this thing is you will get in here. So better we just move to copy and put the edit function. Show function is not needed, so better we remove here and here. Look at this category, not category. You just put subcategory find id category, not category. Subcategory admin category, not admin category. Admin subcategory dot edit, and it will be subcategory. And go to the subcategory edit, and also we give a put the same file as you make, but better your category is named. Because of that create file, you will be helpful to copy this. Just put here, we make it accordingly. Add subcategory, not add subcategory, it's update subcategory. Back subcategory index data, very good. Multi-part form data, no needed actually. Multi-part form data, because we are not upload image here. error will be fine, and category will be came. Just check it. Go to the browser. Just keep reload. Yeah, all categories will be not initialized. So go to our VS Code subcategory controller and pass all category. Shit. Yeah, this is the pass here. Mm, yeah, just make a pass here and check on. Okay, just keep reload. Undefined relationship category on model. Uh, Undefined. Check it. Sorry for this. I make a huge mistake here. Look at this. This was our index file. So we need to place here the with category actually, but I make a mistake here with category. And just here I am not uh, focus for this. Look at this all category. Here is the all category will be ascending, and this is similar. It is not required to pass the with method. Okay, not needed actually. Just check for this and just keep reload. Here is data will be the same, fine, and go to our add subcategory. Here also got the data, very fine, and now got to the edit data, and it will be also fine, and all of this data is here. So go to our and we will pass subcategory. So this is our edit.blade.php. Here subcategory stored and not subcategory update, and past subcategory tends to id, very fine, and method iterate method will be put, very fine, error alert also. Choose category. Here we just make a logic here, so better dollar subcategory tends to sorry, better item tends to id equal to dollar subcategory dot category, so id, then selected, else it will be empty, fine. And now go to a subcategory name. Here just value will be dollar subcategory tends to name, and value category tends to slug. Here this is a submit. It's a not submit. You will keep update. Just check it. Now keep reload. Once again got the error. Unexpected token syntax. So why the unexpected token? Just check it. Miss for the typo. Here is will be the clone. Okay. Now and just keep reload here. Here is got the development will be selected. Okay. So now go to the update functionality, now pending for the update the trigger. So go to our controller and just initialize our repo services, call the services class, and repository will be managed. Okay, and now go to the controller, and controller will be just call for data again. This is the same way, and just okay. First not request, it will be subcategory request. Good. Subcategory service, that's fine. Save subcategory service, not save subcategory service, it will be update subcategory. So requires validated. What here some sure not a problem. A new subcategory, new subcategory updated, not new subcategory updated. Updated. Just given the alert here, update subcategory requires validated subcategory requires string id. Oh, okay, we need to pass another $id. Okay, update subcategory better to the service also, subcategory service. Here update subcategory service, image will be null. No, not needed image actually, not image actually. Look at this here, already keep the line will be gone. Here image, not image will be gone. So need to be better data and id, array data and id updates, update category. No, update category, it will be subcategory. And better you will keep copy here. Go to our service also, repository also, category repository. Yes, not needed this repository. Here go to our sub repository, and repository you will just paste the function name. Name will be same, category subcategory, 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 and keep the subcategory, not need any image. Category update, subcategory update data, and also subcategory. Okay, and yes, also not need any email actually. Okay, I hope it will be work. Just check for this. Okay, just keep reload, and update web development, slug web development, just web development updated, just update data. And here you will go, you will get web development updated, so not needed web development updated, we just keep web development. And yes, we will get the data back. And now the next video I'll be try to how to delete the data through the Ajax. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the videos, please like this and subscribe of my channel also. And you have any query, you put comment below, and I will try to respond it. And also you will need the whole source code of this project. This is the live server, and you will check the project also. I will cover each and every section step by step, and all of this data will be dynamic. So if you need this source code, you just comment below, and all and also put the mail here. Also give WhatsApp through the call via WhatsApp. So thank you so much for the next video.